Welcome back to Living with Disney, and today I am giving you a review of Flame Tree Barbecue's pulled pork french fries. Flame Tree Barbecue pulled pork french fries are amazing, but one warning: do not set your french fries down and walk away without leaving somebody there to guard them. Huge cranes come in and love to be fed here, and apparently they are not allowed to be fed. So please don't feed them like I did. Kevin! Thanks again for watching Living with Disney. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get all of our wonderful notifications. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.